Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to give your iPhone screen recording a voiceover. The built-in screen recording feature on iOS and iPadOS allow you to record a video of what you are doing on your screen, which is great if you want to capture gameplay, walk someone through a tutorial in an app, and even demonstrate a bug if need be. What's more, you can also include a voiceover in screen recordings. That said, let's get started. So first up, we have to bring up the control center on your iPhone by just swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to long press the screen recording button in the control center. If it isn't there, you can add the function via the control center. Then we have to tap the microphone button so that it turns red and reads microphone on. Then you have to select an app from the list that you want to save the recording to. And when you are ready, just hit the start recording and you're all set. Now go ahead to record the screen to your heart's liking by adding the voiceover. It's worth pointing out that you can end the recording by just tapping the stop button in the top left corner of the screen, and the recording will be automatically saved to the app that you checked in the app list. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily give your iPhone screen recording a voiceover. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.